The center.
Then you tell me that percentile, that is percent out of 100. That's what I'm saying here. That's what I'm saying. They won't be able to so far. Now let's go to percentile. How do you go about 10% of that? How do you go about this? Take note of the following. For the 10%, I'm writing down here. Assuming here. I'm putting it in, the paragraph direction. Right? For 10%, for the 10%, answer, we are calling answer number D, that's one. For 10%, 10% is not C. I don't know whether it's C, that's the 10%, right? For that 10%, find the value of 10% of the way through. So you have to find the 10% of the distribution halfway through. Percent of the way through the distribution. Through the distribution. In other words, you find 10% of 400, right? So you work out what is 10% of 400 value, i.e., 10% of 400 is value. So which is this? 10 over 100 times 400, and this is 40. Sure. Right? 40. And that is 40, it is the 10%. So that is 40, is the 10%.
Okay, now we answer question D.
Yeah. And then the question was 90%, and 90% is abbreviated as P, 90 here. And again, this is, and this is 90% of 400 value. Now, 400 value, super value is number. Okay, that's 100 value. 90% of this one. So it's 90 over 100 times 400. And this one. This and this is one. 0, 31, 36. Right? That is the that is value. 40 is the value. And this is 360 value. You look at this, so you have got two values. So if you look at it, what is the P90? So when you draw it, you find what is P90. P90, you go to the 360 value. Give me a minute. 360 value, 360 value. You do it like this. You go this way, and then you find out down here, right? You do it like this one. 360 360 value. You get it somewhere, you find the value here. Oh, take P10, which is 10% is 40, that value is 40, right? Take the 41 higher. If you read it very well, assuming you 40 is here, you go back to assumption, you do again like this. So what you are getting here, the answer you are getting here is your P10. The answer you are getting here is going to be P90, right? So you have got the two values, P10 and P90. Then to find the 10 to 90 percentile, so then the 10 to 90 percentile range. 10 to 90 percentile range is So what you are going to do, you are going to say P90 minus P what? 10. In other words, what the 10% range, the answer you got it here, you subtract to this one.
Or you subtract.
Yeah, you subtract. And what you are getting the answer now. You are getting what is called the percentile range. Determine the 10 to 90 percentile. So what you are getting there is the percentile range. One correct.
That is P90 giving the P3. P10 P1. Then after I will pay them a value of the body again.
Yeah. I wanted you to know that. You understand?
Yeah, I wanted to
for example, P90 of the 145. P10 of the let's say 125 or 115. The difference of 145 minus 115.
So that's the 10.
Yes. Sasa na una namba kile just getting what is it? I got the 10%, it means the 10% of the whole lot. And the money there is the monetary value. The monetary value is what my value is. Monetary value is what is that. And they say 90%, at least 90% of the whole piece, right? It can be 95%. It can be 98%. You can find 98% of the whole lot. And the result of that draw the defined value. Why is that subtracting giving my value out, right? These are the ones that they are telling you to where you have to go. But these are the ones that you have to what? To use. Now the next topic I'm now starting now is interpolation. Linear interpolation. Let's start. Let's go to interpolation. You can start signing and dividing some interpolation, and then after we can do what now. I'm very much worried with how we get. How we get that? Linear interpolation. Can you check in the dictionary what the meaning of interpolation? Interpolate. What is interpolate? Can you check?
Interpolation interpolation?
It's more or less like you are estimating it. You look at what is linear interpolation. You know that estimation.
In the process of determining the unknown values that lie in between the known data points.
You have estimation again. It is just a method of estimating. If you are just obtaining values from the unknown. You have, it's a method. Can you just read it again? Let's interpolation is what?
The process
of what?
determining
determining
the unknown values
unknown what? Values
that lie
in
between
the
known data points.
The known data points.
The percent arranged between percentages, right? The percent arranged. Should it bring the percentages? No.
Alright, so it is, in other words, I will talk about its linear interpolation. Here we are defining interpolation, definition of interpolation. Yes.
Values lie in between the unknown and unknown.
Unknown. Definition of interpolation is this one. But now when you look at this linear, when you look at that, it is very possible that you can estimate. You can estimate median, you can estimate the quantile, percentile, especially for grouped data without drawing the frequency graph. It is possible that you can say quantile will have without drawing graph. It is very, very possible. So, another way of finding, estimating mean or estimating percentiles, quantiles, and median is using what is called interpolation. So, in other words, we are running away from the graph. Right? We are running away from the graph that we drew here. But we want to use interpolation. We want to estimate. So this is just an estimation. It's an estimation. Estimation. In such a way that we are running away from the graph. In such a way that we are running away from the graph. In finding out median. Finding out median, quantals, and percentiles. We are taking median Q2, we are taking quantals Q1, Q3, and percentiles P10, what. So we want to run away from graph. We are running away from graph. We don't want to use the graph. Why can't we use this interpolation? We are using a line graph. We are using, instead of using a graph, because that's a graph at the end, right? If you know that a graph is not a very good way, why can't you use interpolation? Because you know that a graph is very difficult. Sometimes the graph can be very difficult. So it's better to use what is called interpolation. I will give you an example. How do we find that? An example is this one. Example. The age of 160 members of the British Club. The age of 160 members. 160 members of the British Club. Are grouped as shown. Age, number of members. Age, 40. 50, 60, 70, 90, 5, 42, 61, 37, 15, 0. Question can be. Question can be. Without using a graph, so the question is, without, this is the question, right? Question for this one. Without using a graph, estimate, right? Without using a graph, estimate the median age. Estimate the median age. Median age. The number of members existent all over. The number of members and 60 and over all over. The 20%. Right. The question. Without using a graph, without using a cumulative frequency scale, or confusing, but without using a cumulative frequency graph, or without using a graph, can we be able to estimate median age, number of members, 36 or over, and 20%? The graph here you can draw. You can draw a graph here and find what is the median age. You can make out what's the number of members 86 or above. You can find them here. Or you can find the 20% here. You can be able to find 20%. But then, why can't you use that to come up with the median age? Yes, we have a solution. Right, the solution. If you look at this, right? If you look at this one, this, you can come up with what is called the cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency distribution. So solution. Cumulative frequency distribution. Why not come up with cumulative frequency distribution? And if cumulative frequency distribution will be like this: age here, number of members here. I'm just conforming to this, right? So 6 and above means more than it. I mean, 10 and above, we are looking at something like more than 40. So, maybe not more than less than 40. Because here, it is 40. So, a number is less than 40 is 5. Less than 50 it is 42. Less than 60 it is 61. Less than 70 it is what? 7. Right? Less than 90 it is 51. Yes. No, not for sure. No, it is very distribution. It can't be like that. Can't be like that. Let's just say less than 90 is less than 90 here. Let me stop with that less than 90. Right. If you look at it, we are going to what cumulative. The way cumulative is just mathematical.
Yes.
Right? So the first one is 5. Yeah. 30 to 40. It means the number is less than 40. Less than 40, we are saying it is 5. It's between 30 to 40, less than 40, it is 5. Less than 50, it is 42. That's what we are talking about. Oh, 32. So less than 40 is 5. The other one, 5 plus 40, 42 is what? 47. The other one, 47 plus 61, 108. Another one, 108 plus 37, 1 for the what? 45. 145. Then 145 plus 15, what is that? 16 as it is. 16. Yeah. According to that. Now, if you look at it, when you have the last you just do the same like this one. So we are running away from drawing a graph of this. Right? If you draw this graph here, if you draw this graph physically on your graph paper, where you can easily find median, members, ages, and 20%. You can use that, but we are running away from that. That's why I want to use what is called, this issue of interpolation. Alright. If you look at that one, we are studying number 1. We are studying question number 1. This is the information here. I should that is the information. So we are using that information. Linear interpolation. We are going to estimate. What is that number 1? Number 1. The question is, let's find the median. Let's find the median. How many observations are there? The creative figure is the last number. It is 160. Right? If you look at those observations, their numbers are 160, right? It means our median will be 80 value. Hey! Moment. Jika ada jumlah graf, puni apa balik grahan yang 60. Median one mana saja? Pak 80 value. Betul tak sih?
Kalau kita betul betul, jika nampak 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is what? 3. Kamu kalau dia 3, kamu itu benar betul
median. Median video na. Sebenarnya complicated ya. Jadi dia kali ni nombor beda. Mana kalau mana jadi jadi. Graf yang ini, ya berikutnya 160. Which means median, the half ya 160. Video number. What is the video number? It is the 80th value. The 80th value is that means you now be very interested. The 80th value is about to put the median, but the 80th value and go there and find what is the value there. That's what we are thinking, right? Tapi nanti. Kalau bayi gapo, beda tak buang gapo. Tak boleh tak boleh.
How many would you take the last number? Follow the number there.
Which we are not following manaba. Abawa advance. They are down here.
We're following this one.
Because we are following this one. Therefore, the median. The median. The number is 80. Yeah, but out of this distribution here, from this distribution here. Oh,
so like it's find like a few one.
It's not a good one, what does not one?
doing what you want.
Because this evaluation, we are not using the graph. We are always saying, median one right now one number a big number. Because this is this. If you look at this one, number of members here. In other words, this is our cumulative frequency, right? Cumulative frequency.
Yeah.
Always the cumulative frequency is similar. Cumulative what? Frequency. Right?
Yeah.
And when we are reading, we read it, we go something and find what the value is that one. Alright. Then, what does they mean?
Like my number when I go 5 to 20. People in my number of my baby, so when I wait and I will only look at number of my baby, and then you have to find the house that was that.
Yes.
Anyway, see, when are
we getting the right number? When we like my phone follow, I do that.
the guy, you guys did a separation, you go to the canteen, then the village and stuff.
Okay, the next question is that are we not following the minutes of that we were just checking which one is our Q1, how many numbers are 5 digits, right? Which one is our Q2, that's 108. Yeah? Our Q3 is 10145.
It's accumulated. This is accumulated. You know. I want to meet median, you have to do 108. It's not like that. First, you have to draw the what? The graph. No, because middle number 1 will be 108 because the Pakistani is 60.
No, we're not using that 60, we're just using this one to find the
Yeah. What you are saying is, our cumulative percentage.
Yes.
Then always cumulative percentage is something like this. I have to use it maybe this.
Those are not cumulative percent, those are cumulative frequency.
Yeah, these are cumulative frequency. Very good. Yeah, I think you are able now. These are cumulative frequency. The last number here is what? 60. Right? Yes, Baba now or Pascal 90. Then Baba allocate this. Then translate where example finish. If you throw this one very nicely, you go something like that, right? Then Baba now media. The media is half of this one. 160, which is just 8. Then by 8 then Baba usike now. Move the media na kama Bali move the media no. That's what I'm saying. Then we are running away from this what? Graph. We don't want to use this graph. We want to use what is called linear interpolation. What you have to bear in mind is that your median is number 1 is 60. And if you go to this one, you will discover that with 81, Manaba, 81, we said 180. Right? 81 is got 1 people.
Yeah.
Is that? If you go to 80, you have 1 people. Right? This is the 80 and that 180. This is we didn't want to do the we are going to use this one. With the left. Because 80 is not here. 80 is I2. Come out and just and 80 is what you can do. Hey, some took it out. 80 is coming from 47 Pasika and Catholic. We don't know where 80 is. It's where now linear interpolation is coming in. With the rest, then the way the linear is aligned, then for example, the line you also use the base which is manana language. With the 80 and Katuma, what you get 80, what you get for 7 months. Then which numbers are we using? is how we are going to do it. Then we are going to draw a line. You will draw a line here. H. This line by 50 years. Go to H. Now that's what I will look at. 8 is what look at. Hey, this is about 50 years. Yeah. Like that. Right? 50 years. I'm not going to for 6 days. Together, right? So we are using 50 years to 60 days to 60 years. 60 years is here. Because when we are playing around, if we are going to be playing games between 50 and what? 6 days. Then from there is where now you know we just are going to be down on 7 years. I mean, 50 years. From there to 50 years here. You know from there to 50 years here. You know from we don't know from where the black number stays. That's what 47, right? 47 members here. So you know that from there up to here. Here, it is 47 what? 47 members. And that's 47 people. So from there to here, it is 47 people. Right? And you know from because your median it is at 80. Your median is going to be at 80, right? And this 80, if you look at 80 is in between. You haven't gone to 60, but 80 is in between here. 80 can be is in between there. So the 80 is from here to somewhere there. So the 80 is going to be somewhere there. Assuming that from here to here is what it's about 80. That's our median. It's our 80 people. 80 people is the median, and this is our median here. We don't know what median is all about. Our median is going to be in between these, between 50 and 60. In between, we are going from the median. But from the median, from there to there, to reach at this point here, we need to have 80 people, right? We need to have 80 people. But the number of people that we know from 50, I mean, from the start here, we don't know where the start is. Up to the end, if you go up to the end to 60, up to here, the end. How many people are there? 100 what? 170. 108 people are the ones that we know. From where is your figure? From there to 50, we know 47. But what we wanted is the median, the middle number. And the middle number is what? Is 8. The number that we want to find. The distribution that we want to find is we want to find the median. We want to find what is it from here to here. What is it that we want? What we want is we want number from here to here. Come up with the median because this is our median. Come up with 8 people. So we are basically our center is from here to there. That's our median. Right. Let's go back to this. From here to here, it is 108 people. Is it possible to know from here to here?
From where?
From here to here, it is 108 people. Is it possible for you to know from this to there?
Yeah.
Is it possible for you to know?
108 minus
108 minus what?
8. Which is 28.
Which is with what?
8.
With 8. It is possible. Very good. We know from here to here. Is it possible to know from here to there? Is it possible to know from this point to this one?
108 minus
108 minus what?
67, which is 47, which is 51.
So from here to there, 108 minus 47. What will be here from there to there?
61.
61. Right? Because if you take 61 plus 47, it gives you 100 what? 108. Right? And to find this point to here, is it possible to find this point to there?
From where?
From here
Yeah.
to here. Is it possible?
No.
Yeah.
What? Is it possible to find from here to here?
No, it's not.
It's not. You know from this one to here is 80, right?
Yeah.
You know from here to here it is 47.
That's 80 minus
80 minus 47. And what is that? 80 minus 47 is 33.
33.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that?
They don't.
You don't know.
School already?
Yeah, paper.
Alright. Now, let's find the fraction. Let's find the fraction of this, assuming we want to find the fraction from here to the whole of this one. Let's find the fraction from here to the fraction of this one. This one is 33, right? And this one is from here to here is 61. 61, right? Can we find the fraction of this one?
33.
33 over
33 over 80.
huh?
How is it?
63 over 61. In other words,
The one you do over Bayan.
kutoka hapa kufika hapa ili 61.
The movie will
Then for the better fraction one here it is 33 over 61.
Yeah.
So this the fraction will be 33 over 61. So what is 33 over 61? 33 over 61 it is just the fraction from here to here. Because our case, what we want to find what is the median? Because the median is in between. You want the median here. Median is 100 what? 108. But we want to find out. Let's find out what is the fraction from here to here. If I have another color, or I will, let me have another color, let me show you. Get close. Fraction here, it is going to be 33 over 61. That's the fraction there. 33 over 61. So this one is going to be this is going to be 33 over 61. Of course, to find the median, there is a rule. There is a rule that you need to first of all find what is the fraction of the remaining from there to reach the median of the whole road. So the fraction from here is going to be 33 over 61. And the formula to find this, what actually says, the starting point is what? Is the 50, right? Because 50 is our starting point. So what you do, you take 50, you're going to take 50, right? Plus the fraction. So 50 plus our fraction. And what is our fraction?
33.
Our fraction is 33
Over 61.
over 61. And then, if you look at that, what is the interval from here? What is the difference from 60 to 50? 10. Multiplied by 10. What you are getting here, it is your what? It is your median. You will find that is going to be within this one. And that is your median for this distribution. In other words, the median is this number here, it is the it is the starting point of the number plus the fraction of what you want to find from there to there of the whole lot from there, multiply by 10 if this one is the interval. What is the difference from this one to this one? And this is the interval here. The answer you are going to find, that is your median. Can you work it out and we see what will be the answer?
Okay.
If I want 55.1? 5.4. So this will not be 55.4 years. So in other words, 55.4, it is 47 is going to be within this one. 55.4 alikatuma 101, because when you are 47, you will have 55.4. That is your median. How to find median using what is called linear interpolation.
So, 55.4 is another anything else?
Huh?
Ni zaka 55 ni miezi 4.
Oh.
It is
55.4 years.
It is called
55 years. 55 years and 4 months.
4 months.
Yes. Around that.
What?
Right. I don't know. There who's on how are we getting to come up with the assuming this is the question from the exam? Can you work out the median using linear interpolation? Right. Firstly, here the put the blend right to the what? The distribution is the right. There can have one way. You only can find the median of the number. So you discover that the median is within 100 what? Because the median is 80. And that 80 is here. And it can't mind. Hey, when you get 80, I will look it up. Some look it up there. I will look it up by that. Right? So you are using the interval 51. And this is the interval here. And the 10 here is the interval. So you are using, because we are just playing around using this interval here. So the interval is 10. The 10 is the one that you multiply with here. The what you do is, you have to find out that from the beginning up to 50 here, how many people were there? So you discover that there were 47. And then this is 47. What about from the beginning here up to the end here? So you discover that from the beginning up to the end, there are 100 what? 108 what? 8 people. And if you know that this is 108 people, and the median, you will discover that the median is 80. So you need to find what is the median. So you discover that for the 3 plus the 3, there will be 80. They will fraction, the median. So don't find the median. It is 3 over 61. So it's 3 over 61. Someone can ask, 61 you have to get out. 61, it is, you know that from here to here is 47, and you have to know what about from here up to this one, from the last up to the last. It's going to be 180 minus 47. You will discover that this one is 61 here. You take 108 minus 47, so from here to here, it is what? 108. So the median one, so which means the median is within 80 here. So if it is 80 is your median, you will discover that if from here to here, you know is 61. Therefore, the only fraction from here to here is 33 over 61. That 33 over 61, this is the fraction here, or which is the remaining fraction is this one. Right? So, you are going to use, to find the median, you take this 50, it is where you are starting from. So in other words, 50 is the starting age. In other words, the 50 is this one. 50 plus the fraction multiplied by the interval. The interval from here to here is 10. And that is how we find the median for that distribution. Kifua cholinga You can interpret using first median number that is that. These are the median is 55. So it can that's why I was saying median in Grandma 80 is this one. This must be your with median. Because these are the simulations. In other words, the median here is 55 years because the edge which was here down. Because the edge down here, when it was 80, this was 51, 55 years. That's the median. When the edge was 80, when the edge here was 80, I mean when the cumulative frequency was 80, the edge here, 15, the edge was 55. We did this 80, it was 80, 50, 60, 55 are in between here. It was 15, one is the edge, that is there. So the edge is 55. So how do you get this 55? Number E, the number masalah. Then, hand will be the fraction. Comma E, not my interval from here, but you want to multiply the interval from here to here is 10. This one is very simple, it's the interval, and this one is the starting point. But what we have to find, it is this fraction, the remaining fraction from there to here of the lot. That's what it means there.
Sir,
Yes?
how it will be given the starting point and the interval? And we will also discover the fraction which we use.
Yeah, you have found you know the fraction, very good. You know the interval, very good. You know the starting point, very good.
Is there any formula that we can derive to solve that kind of problem?
Is there any formula that we can find to divide by 4?
To make substitutions, because we have 50 plus the fraction times the interval. So my question is, is there any formula that can be used to substitute to come up with that?
To this one. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, that the formula is there. So the formula is, you take the starting of the interval plus the fraction times the interval.
Okay, so all this we're just doing just because we want to find the fraction.
Yes. Oh, this one the fraction. This is the starting point, this is the interval, but the fraction.
So when we are solving that kind of
problem,
are we supposed to show the workings or maybe we are just...
You are supposed to show linear is a line, you are supposed to show this line. Okay. What is happening here? Because the word linear is a what? A line. That's why I wanted you to show this. The word linear interpolation is coming from this line, which I have a problem. You are estimating. That's why linear is the way of estimating. So the word linear is the way we are doing it. 1, 2. Where am actually?
The number of members, 860.
The number of members, 86.
Because of time, we have many next week. No, sir, we can't.
No, I need to extend it.
Okay, unless that was good, sir.
Yes.
The number of members 860. Okay, good. 860. Okay, give me the